Hey everyone, welcome back. If you held your iPhone up to pay at a store and Apple Pay just does not work, before you get embarrassed at the checkout line again, here are the exact things to check right now. First, make sure NFC is not being blocked. Take your iPhone out of any thick case or wallet case and try holding it closer to the center of the payment terminal, not on the edge. Apple Pay uses NFC and some cases block the signal. After that, double click the side button on your iPhone to bring up the wallet. Make sure the right card is selected and showing at front. If a different card is highlighted, tap the top one you actually want to use. Now, check that the store actually accepts Apple Pay. Look for the contactless symbol or the Apple Pay logo at the register. Not every store accepts it. If the store does accept it and it's still failing, then go ahead to your settings app and then search for Apple Wallet and make sure your card shows as active and not suspended. If it says suspended, tap on the card and now follow the steps to reactivate it. So, all you've got to do is remove your case, select the right card, check the store accept Apple Pay, and make sure your card is active. Payment will go through. That's it. Subscribe for more Apple Pay tips.